Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I just wanted to throw a quick video up here to introduce myself and talk a little bit about what I plan to do in future uploads. My name's Alex Joyner. I'm an Alabama native. I was born and raised here in Birmingham, and I'm a local competitive shooter and general gun enthusiast. So I've been doing competition shooting for about 10 years now. I used to travel around a good bit and compete at the state level. I've shot a couple of regionals in both IDPA and USPSA. I've shot a few nationals as well when they were hosted here near Birmingham. I took a step back from that several years ago. I was dealing with a little bit of burnout and had a couple of children, so that affected my time and availability to shoot a little bit. But I've been getting back into it here recently. So I have dabbled a little bit in multi-gun. I shot last month my first PCSL two-gun match. I had a lot of fun doing that. And I've also been sort of the match director, co-match director for an indoor pistol match that's hosted here at a local gun store in indoor shooting range. I've done that for 8 or 9 years. I got busy with work here the last couple of years and stepped back from that a little bit too. But last several months I've been getting back into helping out with that, and I've really enjoyed kind of getting back into the competition shooting world a little bit. But I've loved firearms for as far back as I can remember growing up. You know, all my toys were, action figures that had guns, Army men, G.I. Joes, had a ton of toy guns, Nerf guns. My favorite Christmas growing up, I was 7 years old and got my first BB gun as a gift from my grandfather. That Christmas to me is much like the movie A Christmas Story. I very much remember it like that. I've always loved, guns and movies. I'm a big action movie guy. That and video games. Love video games. Love first-person shooters in video games. I've been playing Call of Duty and Battlefield and a lot of that stuff for more than 2 decades now, and just generally love everything to do with firearms. So I plan on sharing that passion in some of my videos. So my idea is to talk a little bit about guns I carry and shoot in competition, talk about the gear that I carry that stuff in, and then, show them off in sort of practical shooting terms. So shooting them in matches, and then taking them out to the range and shooting different qualifiers or standards with them to kind of compare them next to each other and what they're capable of. And then talk about just some of the stuff that I own that's just from pop culture, movies and video games and other media and the loadouts that go with them, and take those out and shoot them in competitions as well. So that's sort of the plan. I'm looking forward to kind of trying a new thing here. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'd appreciate any feedback along the way, and I'll see you guys here in the next one.